It's coming from that direction, those banks. Still alive. He's not, he's missing these guys. They must be further over. Oh, so there's alive. He's so close. He's coming back. He's so close and yet so far. We need to go in that field on the other side.
On the power line to your left.
Okay.
Can you see my light? Maybe raccoons. I can't
You're
tell
sitting in front of me.
Okay, just keep talking to me. I'm getting chills now.
Oh, yeah.
I'm moving that way.
Okay, we're standing right in front of you. I'm watching you go up. You're moving to my left.
Okay. I'm probably 40 or 50 feet away from where I saw them. They just disappeared. I want to keep moving right directly toward them. Got my flashlight up. Let me turn my camera on. Hold on a second.
You got a light over your head.
Yeah.
Do you see the light? There's an orb over your head.
Really?
Yes.
Well, I'm more worried about these eyeballs right now. Hold on one side. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Look, coming up. Can you see it behind the trees?
Yeah, it's behind the trees.
Actually, I see two of them.
Is there two? I bet that lady on the other side is seeing all kind of shit over there. Oh, yeah.
Okay, got my camera running.
Yeah, I would run your camera because they're watching you.
Yeah, something's going on.
Yeah. How many, the eyeballs, were they up on the cable line?
No, they're about halfway up the tree. I guess they were eyeballs. 2, maybe 3 pairs of them. They almost look like they were...
Okay, right above your head, right above your head. Look above your head. There's an orb up in the trees. A little to your right where you just had the flashlight.
Right there?
Yeah, over that way. There's a light shining through that tree.
Let me look.
It's pretty big.
I want to keep an eye on whatever the fuck this is back here.
It's big. It's, you know, I can't see it with my eyes, but the scope is seeing it. It might be an incognito. Yeah, it's invisible.
Does it look like it's in the trees?
It looks, it's behind some branches. It's not like it's going to drop on your head.
Is it on this tree?
Now go over to your left a little more. Okay, you're closer right there. You just went past it. Okay, now put your flashlight away from us. Down the tree a little bit. Okay, you're not hitting it. You're to the right a little bit. Okay, now it just went out because you hit it.
Okay. I'm going to turn the flashlight
Yeah.
on. Hold on.
Okay, it moved. It moved because you hit it.
I can't see it at all.
Yeah, you can. It's hiding.
I see
Yeah,
nothing.
it is moving.
And those eyeballs are gone. And I didn't hear a fucking thing either. I didn't hear anything moving.
Look, that light is still up there hiding.
I don't see it.
Look, he hit it and it went behind. Look, see behind there blinking? See something behind there blinking? It's probably going to pop on the other side of that damn field and be up in the sky in that time.
Right now I'm just worried about these fucking eyeballs. I'm right here.
Where they are?
Yeah, I'm right where I saw them.
Okay, yeah, you chase that light back into being in the woods. It's back in there blinking now. I mean, not to my eyes. And the scope could see it.
Whoa.
Oh.
What the rock?
It's tricky going through there, huh? That's why I don't want to be in there. You can't just run out.
Well, I don't plan on running anywhere.
Even if you decided to, it'd be a little difficult.
Well, I know one thing. If I start running, you better get out of the way.
Yeah. Okay.
Now, where the hell am I?
Don't worry, I brought a couple brewskis in the car.
I'm on a different trail. This is a different path than I was on. Those eyeballs are completely gone. I'm walking around. Whoop.
There's that one moving orb thing.
Wait, I just heard something.
Those leaves are still rustling.
No, I just heard a...
Oh, there's a flasher up in the sky.